Figures from Africa's commodities market. Today we start with gold and it's selling at $2,901 that's per ounce of gold. There's a positive of 18.51% and it's up 0.64%. Next is soybeans, 1,052, that's per ton, and it's plus 5.75% and it's up 0.55% today. Orange, 338.6, that's also per basket. Of course, that's a basket of that, and it's minus 15.7%, down 4.42%. Cocoa is $10,325 that's per ton, and it's in a change of 213. That's on the negative side, and it's of course down 2.202%. Now to the global market, where Asians trade move higher. Today, you can see the MSCI's index, which the tech sector stole the limelight as Japanese economic growth contrasted with a weak U.S. retail sales report to lift the yen of the dollar. Investors were relieved that the major tariffs that has not been introduced, and MSCI's broadest index of Asian Pacific shares, that's outside Japan, firmed 0.34%. South Korea shares, that's KOSPI, added 0.6%, and it's up also in green. Taiwanese rallied 1.5%, also in green. We have the Chinese blue chips, which were lower, 0.06%. Only that market is in red today, led by Hong Kong market, which jumped 7% last week. Brilliant performance from that market. The Pan-European Stock 600 index has also been attracting global funds, having climbed for 8 straight weeks to being up 8%. And it's the turn of the year. Euro Stock 50 features held steady, while DAX features rose 0.08% and FTSE features gained 0.04%. So despite all of the moves by Donald Trump, all of the directives, tariff issues and all of that, a little impact on all of this market. As you can see, out of the 7 markets we have here, 6 are stayed in green this Monday afternoon. Crude oil prices steadied as market eyed Russia and Ukraine peace deal. We start with the WTI, which were little change. Investors eyed developments on the potential Russia and Ukraine peace deal. That's topical everywhere that could see sanctions disrupting global supply flows. Now, U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude is selling at $70.98 per barrel, up 0.34%. We have the price margin of 0.34 positive. For Brent, crude futures is experiencing an uptick of 0.36% to sell at $75.01 per barrel. Bonny Light sells for $78.62 with a downward price margin of 2.84%. OPEC basket crude dealers offer $76.24 with a decline of 2.11%. It's a beautiful one even today, where we got information that crude production has of course increased in Nigeria. That's from the NUPRC. So positively, even if anything happens, government will be making more money from the sales of crude. Well, let's look at market figures. Mr. Tajudeen is joining me now to assess the market for today. Mr. Tajudeen Olayinka is a stockbroker. Thank you so much. Monday market is ending in red. What do you make of that?
That was quite expected. Markets took a new high last week, Thursday. We saw the index climb to over 109,000, index points. So for that reason, it was expected that, in fact, since Friday, investors have been taking profit. So it's profit taking, massive profit taking. In fact, we saw more of it today, towards the close of the market. So it was actually profit taking, especially if you look at some companies that have actually, that have actually given some kind of benefit to their shareholders, especially if you look at Oando, giving a special distribution to shareholders. So you see investors, doing massive sell down in Oando to be able to take that profit, that very good profit, that Oando has actually given them, sort of. So we saw the same thing in banking stocks and several other stocks that have actually done well. So it's profit taking, which was quite expected.
So what's the outlook for the week in 1 minute?
In the next few days, I think we'll see recovery, because don't forget what we are witnessing is a delay rally. So that rally will still continue once profit takers actually, once they are done with with what they are doing. So obviously, we'll see a new rally, just activation of the late rally. So that's what we'll be seeing, going forward.
All right, thank you so much, Mr. Tajudeen Olayinka, investment banker and stockbroker. It's nice to have you on our program, and that's our package today. Thank you so much for being a part of it. I'll see you tomorrow, same time, where we talk some business. Get busy and always get the cash. Stay safe.